Hey guys, so today I'll be going to one of my favorite little malls over by the Woodside Square, and I'm taking you guys with me. So let's go, right? So I'm at Woodside now, and this library was not here when I just came. It was recently built, and I love that. So we can just walk over to the library and utilize all the services that they have. I really love this option here. So my kids can just come and get a book if they need to, or just enjoy the amenities of the library. So I must say that Woodside Square, they love dinosaurs. So you'll be seeing a lot of dinosaurs here. So this is a dinosaur bench for the kids. And they have this beautiful bird cage right here. And the birds are welcoming me with a song. I don't know the name of any of these birds though, but it's quite beautiful. Hi. So right here, as I said, there are a lot more dinosaurs here. This. So as I said, the Woodside Square, they love their dinosaurs. So you'll be seeing a lot of these and other animals too. Here's George Pig. And I think Peppa is somewhere about the place. So this is Jungle Adventure. And this place is for kids. My kids have been dying to go there. I told them that I'll be taking them for their birthday, but shh, don't tell them, please. More dinosaurs. And then we have Shoppers Drug Mart right here. And one thing that this mall is known for, it recognizes the celebration of all kind and all cultures. So I may not know exactly what these represent, but I know that they're somewhat of the Chinese culture. And more dinosaurs. So those are dinosaur bones right there. And that's an exit from the mall. Magic Noodle, that's a restaurant. And then there's this salon right here, this elegant nail salon. Let's go outside. I have a surprise for you, if you may. That's the farmer's patch. All right, guys, so the surprise is coming. Look at this view. Wonder how much one of those apartments costs. It's just a one room. not pushing it. Okay, guys. So here it is. So that's a giant dinosaur egg. I mean, I love looking at this. Yes, baby. Look how gigantic this is. Wow. I mean, and these things are free. I don't have to pay to see stuff like this. That's enticing to me. So who can tell me the name of these dinosaurs? Because I mean, I think I know this one. I think those two are the same. But that was it, guys. So let's go back inside the mall now. Oh yes, there's pizza. I'm not hungry for pizza though. Jasmine, do you have money? Okay. Thank you. Thank you. So this is pizza. They have this lotto shop, more dinosaur seats, as I said before. There are a lot of restaurants. You can't get hungry here. It's not likely. You can get hungry, but you get what I mean. You have options. So if you're hungry, you can just decide on what you'll eat and just make a purchase, and you're good. Oh wait, I hear dinosaurs, but I don't see them. Where are they? Oh, they're up there. Let me see if I can catch them really quickly. I don't want to run and to have the phone all over the place, but can you guys see them moving? Yes, they're moving. So I'll just stay here. I wonder what they're saying. Aren't you wondering? I am wondering what they're saying right now. And let me tell you that every time that they decide to come alive, the birds start quacking and singing and chirping. So guys, they stop making noise now. They stop moving. And I want to show you something. Look who's in incubators. They are so cute. They are the cutest little dinosaurs I have ever seen. Look at them. What are they doing? They make you would want one for yourself, but what would you do with a dinosaur? You understand what I mean? But they are so cute with their they're sleeping. They're so good. He's in the feet up, but now listen. Look at them. They are so cute. Look at this one. That was amazing. I like seeing it. The kids love it, even though they're afraid. but they do love it. Oh, there's a photo studio here. That's good to know. Ooh, I like this scarf. What do you guys think? Do you think this is something I could wear? Hmm. As I was wondering where my family is, then they show up. So there are more dinosaurs here. There's another restaurant over there. There's Claw World right here. Is this a game shop? And then there's Dollarama, my favorite store, or one off. So this is the restaurant and another bird cage. Oh, most of the birds are sleeping. But look, they have teeny tiny bird houses. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. There's one right there. And another one. Can anybody tell me the name of these birds? I'd love to know. Look at the cute little bird houses. Ooh, look at this one just chilling. And my two birds over there. And then there's RBC Bank here. More festival lights. I'm not sure. Can somebody please tell me what these represent? I need to brush up on my um, history. And more dinosaurs. And that's another exit, guys. So let's head on back this way because my two are this side, still in Claw World. And I love the poinsettias so much. I don't know, I just love looking at them. Oh, Aw, is the video finished already, guys? You want more, right? I would too. But don't worry, a continuation will be coming soon. We realized while editing that the video was too long, so we had to cut it. But what do you think about this one? You liked it, right? Thank you so much for watching, and let me know down in the comments what you think, all right? And also, please like, share, and subscribe. See you guys soon.